Hello, welcome back to the Bald Book Geek. This is a bonus video for you guys because I'm generous. Hi. This video is sponsored by Mountaineering Brand. I've worked with them many times. Links and info below, but that's actually what I'm talking about today. If you want a discount, by the way, just use discount code BaldBookGeek with a capital B, and yeah. Again, links and info down below. So what is Mountaineering Brand? They are a company that make natural products for men. Shaving stuff, beard stuff, hair stuff, deodorants, you name it, they make it. And I absolutely love their products. They're all natural. They all do something different. They don't bring me out in a rash, which is rare. I'm basically allergic to everything at this point. And they've become part of my daily regime for the beard. And I use their products, I use their shaving stuff, I use their beard shampoo, they do beard washes, face masks, cleansers, everything. So, in front of me, they were very kind to send me a little present. I like little presents. They also sent me, I will say it's not in this video because I use it, they sent me the beard, body and face bar, which is an all-in-one wash for your body. It's fantastic. It comes in a nice black bar and the smoky bourbon flavour, which I slightly am obsessed with. If this focuses, because I know what this thing is like. So, they sent me these in a limited edition. So we have the deodorant here, we have the beard balm and the beard oil. I'm a beard balm guy. I do prefer beard balm. Having one of those days where technology fails us. My camera died. Hi. So, while I was waiting for that to reboot, I also got the thing. There we go. This smells good, by the way. Again, products that don't bring me out in a rash, that don't make me itch. And I think that's to do with the fact they're natural. I'm allergic to everything, so it's nice. So, to describe this, it literally smells how it's described. And it's that warm, mellow, spiced yum-yum, as I call it. The beard balm is one of my favourite things they do. And beard oil and beard balm serve a purpose. They help keep everything conditioned, prevent split ends, and also the skin underneath your beard can be a problem. And there's nothing worse than waking up with beard dandruff. That's not fun. But I've got their other products here. They do a moustache stick, they do styling gels, so you can get styling wax for your beard to help keep the fluffy at bay, especially when it's growing in between. And I always say this, I don't support brands unless I actually like the product. I'm not going to stand on here and sell you a product that I don't like. There is nothing worse than that, and you can always tell disingenuous sponsorships. I've had these products a little while as well. I got them just before Christmas, and I wanted to live with them and try them. The quality is there, the products smell good, they do what they're meant to do with no problems, no reaction. My beard is in great condition. And actually I'm going to use a little bit of the beard balm now. And it's easy to use. Also the packaging is really good, they come well packaged. I've not had any breaks, I've not had anything break in the post, I've not had anything like that happen. And I love that, I do. See? Despite being a little fluffy today, because we're having weird humidity in the UK at the moment, these products are genuinely good products. But yeah, as someone who is allergic to everything, I've had some really bad experiences with beard balms, beard oils, shaving gels. It's nice to use something that doesn't make me want to peel my skin off. I know that's a weird way of saying it. And if you guys are interested in buying any of this stuff, there's a link in the description. You can get a discount off your first order. And that's a great little thing. When you have, discounts are always good. I haven't opened this deodorant yet because I'm currently still using the last one they sent me. Also, the shelf life on these products, they are all natural. You know, certain cleansers, certain beard shampoos, give it a shake before you use it just to make sure everything's together, because it's the nature of natural products. It's not like they're filled with silicone stabilizers. And personally, you want to avoid anything with silicone in it on your hair, because it builds up. It also doesn't leave residue, which is nice. But since using their products, I've had no split ends. I don't get the dryness, and the fluffy is at bay. They're just good products overall, and I like their stuff. It's very rare I sing those praises. But genuinely, do check them out. Do check out their products. If you guys are interested in a discount, like I said, there are things in the doobly-doo. And they're run by a great group of people. and we've had some fascinating conversations about Doctor Who. So there we go. That is Mountaineer brand. This is just a little thing. I don't do this a lot on my channel, so I hope you guys enjoy it. I'll talk to you later.